Hey y'all, this is Elizabeth from over at Creative Hands, and today I am participating in the International Christmas Wreath Challenge hosted by Kiki of Kiki DIYs, Pat from Style with Pat, Shell from Shell's Glam Home, Mom Doss from Mom Doss Life Handmade, Janie and Diane from Deco Easy, and Ruth from Kentucky Fried Fun. If you have never been to visit these ladies' channels, you really should. They are wonderful DIYers. They do cleaning motivation, there's thrifting, there's just all kinds of stuff that you really need to check out. And this year, I decided I love to see my grandkids open their presents on Christmas Day. I like to give gifts. I like to get gifts. And to me, I thought I'm going to do the wreath a little different this time. And I decided that I wanted to make a wreath with the focal point being, for me, the greatest gift that I was ever given. And so I had a little stable. I put it in the inside of it, glued it down with Gorilla Hot Glue, and then I took some frosted leaves that I had and some white berries that are also frosted and put those in the bottom. I did save the ribbon. I don't know why, but it didn't get bleached out like a lot of the other stuff, and I just tied it in a different way. And then I took my angel, and if you'll look, it says peace on the top of her bow there on her dress, and she's holding a white dove. And then I just put some little silver frosted beads down this side because it seemed a little empty. And this is my wreath for this challenge, the International Christmas Wreath Challenge 2019. Thank you to all the ladies that hosted this. Thank you, Kiki, for coming up with this idea way back in the fall, and then at Halloween, and now for Christmas. And I just think it's a wonderful thing to do seasonally, and it was just so much fun putting this together. Thank you for all your hard work, ladies, and hugs from the southeast coast of Florida.